If you're someone suffering with tennis elbow or golfer's elbow and you don't even play any of those sports, you're like, what the hell? Why is this hurting so much? My name is Huang. I'm an occupational therapist and certified hand therapist, and I want to share with you a little bit about how Radial Shockwave can help you with those tendonitis types of pain. Now, regardless of whether you have tennis elbow or golfer's elbow, sometimes those things kind of come and go, and most of the time you're thinking, it's just going to go away if I rest it. But if you've been resting it for a really long time and you've been wearing that strap on your elbow and nothing seems to help you, well, let me share with you a little bit about what Radial Shockwave can do, because it's a non-invasive, very fast and effective treatment method that is very good with tendon and muscles types of issues like tennis elbow and golfer's elbow. Both of them are a muscle tendon type of irritation where sometimes there's what they call some degeneration, some wear and tear around that tendon of your elbow because we use it so much for everything, your hand, your wrist. That's why when you go to squeeze out a sponge and you're like, it's just a sponge, and you feel that sharp pain in your elbow, that is tendonitis. If you go and you grab your grocery bags and you know, I don't know about you, but I do this. I grab all my grocery bags because God forbid I make more than one trip in and out of my car, and all of a sudden the inside of your elbow or the outside of your elbow hurts. That's tendonitis. Well, Radial Shockwave uses pressure waves to get deep down into the tissue, deeper than any other like E-stem or ultrasound, any of those methods. It gets deep down into the cellular level. And what it does is it sort of breaks up the little blood vessels that are there so that your body can say, hey, I'm going to send help to that area and recuperate and recover for you to reduce the pain. It has been so fast and effective. You just need to come in for several treatments. Now, the number of sessions you need depends on the severity of your tendonitis. So if you take care of it fast, you can come in with less session. But if it's been a little bit, it might take a few more sessions. But what I have found with this is that you can feel the results in that first session. I've done it to shoulders, to wrists, to elbows. I've worked with people with after surgery to their distal radius. I'll do another video on that, but it has been so fast, right? So fast. You feel it the same day, especially if we can apply it correctly and apply the correct dosage has been the most effective. So when you come in for a treatment, you know, we ask you a lot of questions, and it's because we want to make sure that this is, you know, going to benefit you before you make an appointment. And then when you come in, we'll ask you more questions to make sure that we're going to apply in the right way with the right dosage. And then we're going to take a look at how you're moving to ensure that way we can compare to from the first treatment to the next treatment to the next treatment. Now, it does take a few sessions, but it's really fast. When you come in, it's like 10-15 minutes of treatment. So you don't have to spend all day here. You don't have to do exercises. You don't have to stretch. You're literally coming in and you're getting a treatment session to the area. So it's fast. I call it fast and furious. It's literally you come in fast and furious, and you're sick of, you know, if you've been doing the stretches, right? You're like, I'm done with the stretches already. It's not helping. You don't want to be sitting here exercising all day. Not everyone wants to exercise. We work with a lot of people here at the clinic at Hands-On Therapy Services who we don't want to spend all day exercising. You know, there's people out there, they want to exercise, they want to learn. This is like a no fuss type of treatment to get rid of that tendonitis type of pain, that sharp pain, and you can recover really quickly, no downtime, no side effects at all, completely natural, holistic, and you can get right to doing whatever it is you want to do and stop thinking about your tennis elbow and golfer's elbow when you don't even play those sports. If you have any questions about how Radial Shockwave can help you, give us a call here at Hands-On Therapy Services. And if you just want to know more about Radial Shockwave, grab the guide click the link below, grab the free guide, find out more about how it can help you, and give us a call when you're ready to get down, fast and furious with this treatment.